The harvest looks strong this quarter. Ensure the new plots are monitored closely. The sugar content is optimal. We can start the harvest now.
All right, team. The drone data confirms this section is ready. Let's start the first cut here on the left.
Securing the blade precisely at the base of the stem. The timing of this cut determines the yield of the entire bunch.
We have a clean cut on the main line. Start processing immediately. Roger that. All teams engage. Heads up, this one is heavy. Got it. Bring it over here.
We must ensure the quality inspection is thorough on every single leaf before bundling.
Keep the stacks even over there. We need 50 more before noon. Make sure those knots are secure. We need this ready for transport now. All right, team. The drone confirms everything is on schedule. Let's move the next shipment to the loading area now. All right, easy on the hydraulics now. Keep that load steady. Copy that. Moving it slowly. Heavy one here. All right, set it down easy on the pile. Make sure the straps are tight on the upper right side. We need to secure that load properly before we move.
Safe journey now. See you when you get back.
All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch your left side. Straps are secured on the platform. Copy that. Proceeding with the lift. The hydraulic system provides the precision required to move the sensitive cargo. Quality control is paramount at this stage. Easy now, hold it steady. Lower to platform B, we are clear. The moisture content on batch 7 looks slightly elevated. Reroute that lot for secondary drying immediately. The impurity removal transition is smooth. We're seeing zero contamination in the premium batch.
The current batch is stabilized at 50.2 kilograms with 85% moisture. Premium grade confirmed.
Line is running smoothly. We are ready for the washing phase.
Our fully automated washing system ensures that every banana stem is meticulously cleaned before processing.
The purified water circulation ensures thorough cleaning, removing contaminants while preserving the delicate fibers. The system is operating at optimal efficiency.
How are the brushes performing on stage 3?
All parameters are within tolerance. We are ready for the final rinse.
The laser sensors confirm zero contaminants on this batch. We are clear for packing. The hydraulic presses synchronize perfectly, extracting excess water before the fiber separation stage. We're seeing optimal performance here. The synchronized rollers ensure maximum fiber yield as the stems are pulled into the system. Extraction speed looks stable at 95%. We are maintaining optimal roller pressure according to the readings here. The consistency is perfect. We are ready for the next phase of cleaning. System looks good. Initiating moisture balancing sequence now. The banana fibers enter the conditioning chamber, where precise misting ensures optimal moisture content for pulping. The banana fibers are smoothly transitioned into the hydraulic pulper, ensuring a consistent flow rate for the wet pulping process. Systems are green. The cellulose output looks excellent for this batch. Pressure levels are stable. Pressure levels are stable across the network. Good. Maintain the flow rate at 200 liters per minute. Here,
The banana cellulose slurry passes between precision-engineered discs, ensuring optimal fiber uniformity and softness. Check the flow rate on Unit 3. We're showing a slight discrepancy here. Already on it, Supervisor. Looks like a minor calibration needed. The multi-stage filtration is performing optimally, ensuring the preservation of the natural cellulose fibers. The banana cellulose pulp undergoes a precise brightening process, ensuring a clean, natural white suitable for premium quality toilet paper production.
The stabilization chamber maintains a perfect consistency for the banana cellulose. Quality confirmed. We are ready for production.
Flow rate is stable at 20 meters per second. The sensors confirm perfect consistency across the wire.
Sensor readings confirm optimal pressure. The automated systems keep the tensile strength consistent across the sheet.
As the web wraps around the drums, the infrared sensors convert optimal temperature. We're nearly ready for surface finishing.
Run is flawless. We have perfect consistency moving into the embossing stage.
The floral and quilted patterns are being imprinted flawlessly across the continuous sheet, ensuring consistent quality around the clock.
AI vision systems analyze every centimeter for defects, ensuring flawless production before perforation.
Spacing confirmed within tolerance. Machine speed is stable. Alignment check complete. Binding speed is optimal. The computerized tension control is maintaining perfect consistency across the perforated sheet. Production is running smoothly. Look at those numbers. Flawless execution on the new line.
Alignment sensors confirm position.
Sequence initiated. Preparing for high-speed rewind.
As the logs transfer to the cutting phase, the pneumatic pushers maintain precise synchronization, ensuring optimal throughput across the line.
The servo-controlled positioning ensures flawless accuracy, preparing the rolls for inspection.
Here in the finished roll conveyor section, our AI vision cameras ensure every banana roll meets the highest standards.
Check the diameter readings on line 3.
All parameters are within tolerance. Moving to weight verification.
Here at the weighing station, digital load cells measure each roll with incredible accuracy, confirming quality standards in real time. Inside the sorting department, precision is paramount. The AI vision systems guarantee perfect spacing before the wrapping process begins.
Every pack is verified by the vision system. The efficiency gains are significant.
The synchronized system ensures millimeter precision, transferring the banana toilet paper bundles into the newly formed cartons. Ensure the vision cameras are calibrated for the next batch. The current run is performing flawlessly.
The automated sealing department ensures every carton meets rigorous quality standards before labeling.
The automated labeling station ensures flawless application, verified instantly by optical sensors.
In the automated palletizing department, robotic arms stack the banana toilet paper with unparalleled precision, overseen by our expert team. The autonomous systems ensure precision, guiding the forklifts with laser accuracy across the facility. This allows us to... The AGVs have processed the inbound shipment ahead of schedule. Inventory accuracy is currently at 99.8% across all sectors.
With the final pallet loaded, our premium banana fiber paper is ready for the world.